In this video we're going to consider how to use the cosine rule to find the missing angle in a triangle given that we know the lengths of all three sides. So we hopefully can remember that the cosine rule is a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine a, where the lowercase letters are the three lengths and the capital letter is the angle that is being considered. So in this case it's the angle that we are looking for, and it's the only angle involved. So when we set up our initial problem, we've just got to remember that the opposite side is what we begin with in this position. The actual letters themselves are not important, it's just that we've got the right relationship between the different letters here. So I'm just going to substitute values in straight away. So the length opposite my angle is 7 centimeters. So 7 squared is equal to 3 squared plus 5 squared, subtract 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 cosine A. So I'm going to simplify this to some extent first of all before I actually rearrange it. So I can write this as 49 is equal to 9 plus 25 minus 30 cosine A. Should have been a capital A really. And then I'm going to subtract all of the number terms onto the left side. So I'm going to subtract 9 and subtract 25. So I'm then going to get 15 is equal to negative 30 cosine A. I'm going to divide through by negative 30, so cosine A is negative a half. So then A is going to be cosine to the minus 1 of negative a half. So remember this is also called arc sine or arc cosine. So arc cos of negative a half gives me 120. So this angle is 120 degrees. If I look at this second example, I can go through that in exactly the same process. So the opposite to this angle is the 5, so I can rewrite this as 5 squared is equal to 6 squared and 10 squared minus 2 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 10 cosine of A. So 25 equals 36 plus 100, and then that's minus 120 cosine A. So then I'm going to subtract the two number terms across, so 25 subtract 36 subtract 100 is negative 111, so negative 111 is equal to negative 120 cosine A. So cosine of A is negative 111 over negative 120, which is just 111 over 120, and therefore A is equal to arc cos of 111 over 120. I can do that onto my calculator. And is 22.3.